Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I was at TJ Maxx the other day and I came across a whole kind of holiday-y looking section of this gold and red packaging by the brand Tracy, and I realized that I have never tried any of her products, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try them out because it's $5 and why not? And they look like they're really pretty holiday colored lipsticks. So I don't have any of her eyeshadows or anything else for that matter. I just went ahead and picked up this because I didn't want to waste any more money if it wasn't something that I liked. So I'm gonna try her lipstick formula. We're gonna do a first impressions of Tracy, and also you get to see some lip swatches. So first off, first impressions, her embossing couldn't even finish her brand name on the bottom there. So I mean, I think we can deduct a point for that because that's weird. But secondly, this package here is actually really kind of cute for the holidays. It's gold, it's got tons of fingerprints on it from me, sorry about that. There's like this really kind of fun, shiny red paper in the back. This could be something that you use to make a Christmas card with. But let's get into these lip colors. There is 6 of them, and I'm already noticing, before I've even taken them out, 2 of them on the top have some lipstick smears here. So that's oh, 3. This one does too. It's got like a little lipstick smear on the top there. So that's nice. But you know what? We're just gonna get right into this. Let's start. Alright, so after doing all of these lipsticks, I don't like them. Don't like them. Don't like them. So here's the problem. When I see a lipstick and I see this beautiful opaque color here, I get very excited. I'm like, yes, that's gonna be beautiful on my lips. When it shows up as a sheer wash about 4 shades lighter than that color, and it's not even fully opaque, my heart sinks a little. And that's what all these are. These are a very sheer wash of color, and they are nowhere near the color of the actual lipstick. Like, it's gonna be really light compared to whatever color you want. And it's also very balmy in consistency. It's like a mix between a chapstick and a gloss. So it's very comfortable to wear. I have a feeling you'll have to reapply these every 2 seconds because it will just transfer on everything. And this color, this first pink color here, did not go on at all. This thing took me a hot minute to try and build up. So these 2 colors I actually did enjoy though. They were more of the purple shades, and one of them was a metallic. So these 2 went on really nicely actually. So I'm giving these 4 to my girls because they just did not perform well on me, and they will have so much fun with them. I wouldn't waste $5 on these. If you are getting makeup for your child to play with, maybe I would waste $5 on these, but other than that, I honestly don't want to buy any more Ellen Tracy stuff to try because I was going to, but it's no. So don't like these. I like 2 of them, but the other 4, no. And that's all I have for this video. So let me know if you guys have anything from Ellen Tracy that is actually good. And if you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye!